Starting today, Governor Gavin Newsom says masks will no longer be required for unvaccinated workers indoors. The state is also dropping the mask requirement in schools in less than 2 weeks. But not every school district is following the state's lead. CBS 8's Heather Hope explains.
Some San Diegans are still trying to make sense of all the different mask guidelines for schools and for most workplaces. The no mask rule for employees indoors begins today, but the governor says that masks are still recommended for inside a building.
And it seems like it's gone on for so long now. I think it's time for this to end.
Moving away from wearing masks indoors for those vaccinated and unvaccinated has been long overdue for some, while others feel the push to go mask-free is too soon while we're still in a pandemic.
The situation is not 100% safe. To me, I say they're still wearing the mask.
Starting today in California, masks are no longer required for unvaccinated workers in most workplaces, but state health officials strongly recommend masks for most indoor settings and say employers must provide a face covering upon request of an employee. Javier Lazarde of Blessed Cuts in National City says the updated indoor mask guidelines are helpful for barbers.
We're able to work without the mask. People are happier.
For California schools, masks will no longer be mandatory as of March 12th, but individual districts can still opt to keep them mandatory, which is what San Diego County's two largest school districts, San Diego Unified and Sweetwater Union High School districts, plan to do for the time being.
Many more parents who've said, we're really worried about the idea that people could be taking their masks off indoors.
The Sweetwater Union High School District says in 2 weeks it will reassess the mask mandate and examination of the community spread at that time. There is still a concern for the San Diego Unified School District that its spring break begins 2 weeks after the state school's mask mandate ends. So the district is worried that it could see a spike in COVID cases. Also on March 18th, that is the deadline for masks being worn on airplanes, but there's still no mask wearing end date set for those in healthcare settings or on public transit. Heather Hope, CBS 8.